Hi there, aspiring Pythonista. I'm Gorret Golden, and welcome to the Python Mastery Crash Course for Beginners, where you will dive into the wonderful world of Python. Buckle up because you're about to embark on an exciting journey of learning and fun. So let's dive right in. So what exactly is Python? I guess the first time you heard about Python, you must have thought that it's a snake. Well, in this context, Python is a high-level interpreted programming language known for its simplicity and readability. Think of it as the friendly giant of programming languages, powerful yet approachable. So Python's design philosophy emphasizes code readability and simplicity. This means that you can write less code and do more, so it's perfect for beginners and experts. Python was created by a brilliant mind named Guido van Rossum. So Guido named Python after the British comedy series Monty Python's Flying Circus. So in case you find any humor in the language or its documentation, now you know why. Let's talk about what makes Python so awesome. Python is easy to read and write. Python syntax is clear and concise. It's like writing plain English, which means you can focus on solving problems rather than deciphering complex code. Python is also an interpreted language, no need for compilation. You just write your code and run it, and it takes care of the rest, making it great for rapid development. Python is also a dynamically typed language. No need to declare variable types. Python figures it out for you, which makes your code more flexible and easier to write. Python is also versatile and portable. Python runs on almost any platform like the Windows operating system, Mac OS, Linux, name it. So you can write your code once and run it anywhere. Python also has a rich standard library, whereby it comes with a vast library of modules and packages, making it a powerful tool for various tasks, from web development to data analysis and even machine learning. Python is like a Swiss Army knife. It can do anything, and here are some of its cool applications. Python is used in web development, where frameworks like Django and Flask make building websites a breeze. Python is also used in data science and machine learning, where libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and TensorFlow help you crunch numbers, analyze data, and build intelligent systems. Python is also used in automation and scripting, where we automate boring tasks with ease using Python scripts, and with this application, you say goodbye to repetitive work. Python is also used in game development, where you can create games using Pygame, which is a popular library for game development. Python can also be used in Internet of Things, where we can control and interact with the hardware devices. You might be wondering, so why should I learn Python? Great question. Here are some compelling reasons why you should learn Python. Python is a beginner-friendly programming language. Python's simplicity makes it an excellent choice for beginners. You can start building projects and seeing results quickly. Python also has a high demand. Python programmers are in high demand across various industries. So learning Python opens up numerous career opportunities. Python also has a vibrant and welcoming community regarding the community support. So in case you need help, you'll find countless tutorials, forums, and resources to guide you all through. Regarding its versatility, whether you are into web development, data science, automation, or any other field, Python has got you covered. Python is also fun and rewarding. Learning Python is not just productive, it's also fun. So you will enjoy the process and feel a sense of accomplishment as you build cool projects. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour of Python. We have covered what Python is, who invented it, its features, applications, and why it's worth learning. But this is just the beginning. In the upcoming sessions, we will dive deeper into Python installation, Python syntax, data types, operators, and many more. So get ready to roll up your sleeves and code like a pro, because Python is not just a programming language, it's a gateway to endless possibilities. Let's make Python an adventure you'll never forget. Stay tuned, stay curious, and let's get started on this exciting journey together. See you in the next session.